Comments? Looking around, nobody really? Going once, going twice? Yeah, Dina. Somebody get her a microphone, please. Although I'm not sure she needs one. That's what they say about me.
Thank you. Well, I'd like to thank, first of all, both speakers. You did your job. And I have a comment, with everyone's permission, as to the first presentation. Though Professor Schoeps is not here, it's a bit unfair, but you brought his words to us. Can you bring back the following question or comment? It wasn't easy to listen to this. But I have the feeling that those Professor Schoeps chose to quote from are not the right ones for the topic. Noam Chomsky, Kinderlach. What does Noam Chomsky say? He says all kinds of things. The Iran, the Mamale Iran never invaded anyone. No, is this worth of a quote? No, really. Chomsky has also said other things about Cambodia, about this, about that. Why should we take him in such consideration? Was ist so wichtig? Okay, the other comment, and I can go on. There was a list of Jewish intellectuals, among which, what's his name? Finkelstein. What's the first name? Norman Finkelstein, thank you. Norman Finkelstein was listed. Norman Finkelstein, again, an intellectual of the highest level. It's not in proportion, I'm sorry. There are serious people who are arguing against Israel or against its stances. We should take into consideration their opinions and their criticism. Israelis, sure, no doubt, but not Norman Finkelstein. I have heard him a number of times. What can I say? And his book, Holocaust Industry, Mele, and Noam Chomsky, and that. This person, Omri Bem, in the New York Times. Yofi, the New York Times published it because it's a sensation, it's a scandal, okay. But who is this Omri Bem? I don't read the New York Times enough, but I don't know. I don't know him. Maybe perhaps others know him. So what I'm saying is, if you would like to make a point that there is criticism, serious criticism of Jews, okay, with full respect, but please choose the most serious and the most eloquent voices in the field, and not such chevre.
Okay.
That's one.
We have, yeah, absolutely.
Sure.
So, of course, I cannot speak for Julius Schoeps here, so this will only be a contribution of another participant to the public discussion. But I think what was his point is actually that it doesn't matter whether we here or academics or intellectuals consider these voices important or not. I yesterday gave a lecture on Paul de Lagarde, and afterwards in our history panel, we discussed that people who did something against Jews and uttered some anti-Semitic views in past or present might be disregarded or might be not the most important problem. And we might say that these people Julius Schoeps quoted are not to be taken serious. Let them talk, it doesn't matter. The point is that for other people that does matter. They are instrumentalized, they are used in this discourse, and because they are Jewish, and because they are respected intellectuals, they have professorships, and they are public figures, they gain a certain importance by being instrumentalized by anti-Semites. And I think that has some relevance, even if we consider these people utterly ridiculous. in the end, anti-Semitism is ridiculous. It is not rational. It is not to be taken seriously. But some people actually do. And if professors like Paul de Lagarde in past or these intellectuals of today utter these kind of criticisms, ridiculous as that might seem to us, other people are taking them seriously and they are being instrumentalized. And that makes this so dangerous. And I think that was Julius Schoeps' point.
Thank you very much. I think we'll now adjourn for the coffee break. Please be back here at 10:30 sharp because we would like to stay on schedule. Thank you very much.